Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is August 7th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures here, you're going to see that the futures are trading higher by 2.25 points to 24.74 per contract. You'll see the futures did roll over a little bit here, but they are still in positive territory. Today is a Monday. Volume is generally a little on the lighter side, so we'll see what today brings. All in all, we're going to focus on stocks in the news. The first one we're going to take a look at here is going to be Tyson Foods. TSN is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading up nicely from the close on Friday. It closed at 63.30 on Friday, now trading at 65.20. This is on the back of earnings. It looks like there's going to be resistance levels coming up a little bit higher. So again, we'll have those levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room today at 9 a.m. So Tyson Foods is going to be in play today. Next one we're going to take a look at is going to be Berkshire Hathaway. BRK.B is the ticker symbol here. You're going to see that they reported earnings. Stock is trading down a little bit. Closed at $179.92. Trading at $177.77 here. So a little bit of a haircut there for Berkshire B. It was a little bit on the overbought side. So we'll see how today plays out. We will be looking at this one in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings today. Again, a level I like right here off the bat would be around the 175.35 level. So it does get down. If it does get down to around 175.35, there could be a play there. Keep that on the radar today for a long scalp. Let's take a look at GoGo. They reported earnings as well. I believe this company makes internet for airplanes. So again, stock right now is trading at around $13.35. Closed at $13.12. We can't make much out of that at the moment, but we will keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at COL, which is Rockwell Collins. It looks like this company is flying high today, trading at $128 a share this morning. It closed at $119. It looks like there's a potential deal in the works for Rockwell Collins by United. Looks like UTX is in the works to buy them. Let's take a look at UTX this morning. Right now, you'll see United Technologies trading lower by $119.50. So all in all, if you're taking a glance at Rockwell, it's overbought. But again, if you own it, congratulations, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, not a lot I would do with it here. We'll also watch UTX today since they are the company that potentially is going to buy out Rockwell Collins. Stock right now is trading at $119.50. That's down from the $121.49 close on Friday. We'll keep that on the radar. There is some support here on the daily chart, but with a takeover like this, you never know what the stock's going to do. So we'll look at this one closer once the opening bell rings. But both Rockwell Collins and UTX in a deal here. So we'll watch those closely once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at LLL. This is Level 3 L3 Technologies. Stock right now is trading at $176 a share. Looks like they were added to the Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. It looks like John Deere was also added to the conviction buy list. John Deere, in my opinion, is just way too overbought. If you take a look at, say, a monthly chart, this thing has gone parabolic. So again, it may hold up here. It's, nothing really wrong with it, but it is an overbought condition, so you want to be a little bit careful there. Let's take a look at BSFT. This is Broadsoft. Stock right now is trading at $42.75 on Friday. So let's see where it's happening here. You'll see the stock right now trading at $40.90. So this is a pretty good haircut. Looks like it's on the back of earnings as well. Again, I don't really see much upside here today. So what we're going to do with this one is look down a little bit lower. We'll see if it gets down to around the $40 level. There could be a play there, but we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. This is a stock that doesn't really trade a whole lot of volume, averages around 250,000 shares a day, so it becomes a little bit of a tougher play. So we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out there. Let's take a look at ON, which is ON Semiconductor. Stock right now is trading at $15.28, closed at $15.10. Again, I think this is on the back of earnings as well. My max upside for this stock would be around $15.80 to $16. So if anybody does own it, you might want to trail the stop loss already. Looking over at the gold market today. We do have gold futures trading down just $2. So if you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see this trading at around 119.50. Again, closed at 119.65. Spot gold this morning down $2.30 to $1,262 an ounce. Crude oil is also ticking a little bit lower today. We have spot crude trading down by about 55 cents to $49.03 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF to follow, you'll see this is trading this morning at around 10.04, closed at $10.13. So that's pretty much it this morning. We do have probably a few other movers out here, but the volume is very, very light on them. We'll make more out of it once the opening bell rings. If you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. Again, we're having a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. And today being a Monday, also a lunar eclipse full moon, so could be an interesting trading session. With that being said, everybody, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.